Replacing your windows is an excellent way to enhance your Clearwater home's energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. While professional installers handle most of the work, preparing your home beforehand can streamline the process, minimize disruptions, and ensure a successful installation. Here's a step-by-step guide to preparing your home for a window replacement project in Clearwater. Clear the area around your windows. One of the first things you should do is remove any obstacles around your windows. This allows installers to access the windows easily and safely. Remove curtains and blinds. Take down any curtains, blinds, or window treatments to provide a clear view of the window frame. Move furniture. Relocate furniture, such as sofas, beds, or tables, that might block access to the windows. Keep the area clear to give installers room to work. Clear wall decor. Remove wall hangings, photos, or decorations near the windows to prevent accidental damage during installation. A clean and accessible workspace helps the installation team work efficiently while protecting your belongings. Protect your floors and belongings. Window replacement can generate dust and debris, so protecting your home is essential to minimize cleanup and prevent damage. Lay drop cloths. Use drop cloths or plastic sheets to cover floors and nearby furniture. Many professional installers also provide protective coverings. Store fragile items. Move fragile or valuable items, such as vases, electronics, or artwork, to a safe location away from the installation area. Trim landscaping. If you have shrubs, trees, or plants near outdoor windows, trim them back to provide easy access and reduce the risk of damage. Taking these steps keeps your home clean and your possessions safe throughout the project. Ensure easy access to your home. The installation crew will need access to both the inside and outside of your windows. Preparing entry points in advance helps the process run smoothly. Unlock doors and gates. Ensure all relevant doors and gates are unlocked so the crew can easily move between indoor and outdoor areas. Clear outdoor pathways. Remove outdoor furniture, tools, or other obstacles that might block access to windows from the exterior. Provide parking. Reserve a parking space close to your home for the installation team's vehicle, as they'll need easy access to tools and supplies. Making access as straightforward as possible saves time and avoids unnecessary delays. Communicate with your installer. Clear communication with your window replacement company ensures everyone is on the same page about the project's details. Confirm the schedule. Double-check the date and time of the installation to ensure you're prepared and available. Discuss special requests. Inform the crew of any specific needs, such as working around pets or maintaining access to certain rooms during the installation. Ask about preparation requirements. Your installer may have specific guidelines for preparing your home, so don't hesitate to ask for recommendations. Good communication ensures a smooth and stress-free experience for both you and the installation team. Secure pets and children. Window replacement involves tools, equipment, and materials that could pose safety risks to pets and children. Take precautions to keep them out of harm's way. Create a safe space. Designate a separate room or area for pets and children to stay during the installation process. Inform the crew. Let the installers know if you have pets or children in the home, so they can work accordingly. Close off work areas. Use baby gates or barriers to prevent access to rooms where work is being done. These measures ensure everyone's safety and allow the crew to work without interruptions. Prepare for noise and disruption. Window replacement can be noisy and may temporarily disrupt your daily routine. Planning ahead helps minimize inconvenience. Plan activities away from home. If possible, schedule errands, appointments, or activities outside the home during the installation. Notify neighbors. Let your neighbors know about the project, especially if you live in close proximity, to manage expectations about noise levels. Be flexible. Keep in mind that unforeseen circumstances, such as weather or unexpected challenges, could affect the timeline. Being prepared for temporary disruptions makes the process more manageable for everyone involved. Inspect the installation. After the installation is complete, take a moment to inspect the work with your installer. This ensures everything meets your expectations. Check for proper seals. Look for tight seals around the window frames to ensure energy efficiency and prevent air or water leaks. Test functionality. Open and close each window to confirm smooth operation and proper alignment. Ask questions. If you notice anything unusual or have concerns, discuss them with the crew before they leave. Inspecting the work ensures you're satisfied with the results and that your new windows are ready to perform their best. Conclusion. Preparing your home for window replacement is an important step to ensure a smooth and successful installation. By clearing the area, protecting your belongings, and communicating effectively with your installers, you can create a stress-free environment that allows the project to proceed efficiently. If you're considering replacing your windows in Clearwater, reach out to a trusted window replacement professional. Their expertise and guidance will help you every step of the way, from preparation to completion, ensuring you enjoy the benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient windows for years to come.